Welcome to the introduction to the gallery mode in OrthoVision. To get to the gallery, make sure you select Consultation and then Gallery. When we select Gallery, we'll see a thumbnail gallery to the left side, followed by a picture viewer on the right side. Across the bottom, we'll see the printed date of this presentation, followed by the record date when these images were taken. When we move our mouse to the bottom of the screen, we'll see a toolbar pop up, which includes all of our tools. We have a full screen mode, a pen mode, a previous and next slide mode, followed by a record selection mode. For now, we'll select a previous record, which has more images included. After we've moved the newest record down, we'll click Apply, which will then show the older record. Another feature of OrthoVision's gallery mode is, when we move our mouse to the left side, we'll see all of our pre-designed slides laid out for you. You can select them from this menu by simply left-clicking on a thumbnail. When we left-click on one of these thumbnails, you'll see a larger version of this image appear in our picture viewer to the right. At any point in time, you can left-click on any of the other thumbnails to show that in the picture viewer on the right, or you can double-click on an image to show a full-screen version. It's in this full-screen version that we see most people start using the pen tool to highlight any areas of interest. To do so, simply click on the pen tool and draw directly on your screen to highlight any areas of interest. Beside the pen tools, we have the options to erase all lines or erase the last line that we drew. Be sure when you're done using the pen tool to click on the pen once again to return to normal mouse mode. Our lower toolbar also features default exporting tools. The first being Export, which allows you to save the image to disk. The second being Image Upload, which allows you to attach the image directly to your patient file in OrthoVision. Third option being Capture, which copies the image to your clipboard for later pasting. And finally, the last being Print. When you double-click somewhere on the larger image, you'll return back to the thumbnail gallery mode. Finally, you have the option to customize this gallery by simply clicking on the Setting button on the bottom of your screen. Here we'll see the pre-made slides listed across the bottom, followed by a larger view at the top. At any point, you can create your own by clicking Add, or modify a selected one by simply clicking Modify, or delete the form altogether by clicking Delete. We'll start by showing the Add function. When you click the Add function, you'll see a blank slate. To add an image, simply click a slot, and then select an image from the right menu. We can also select the type of table that's shown by selecting it in the Form Edit tool in the upper right. Please note that when you do this, it'll wipe out any progress you made previously. If you click and drag across multiple cells, we can merge them by simply clicking on the Merge button, or initialize to reset back to where we were. We can also separate each box by simply clicking on the Separate Row or Separate Column feature. When you're done, simply click on Apply. As you can see, when we do this, our new design shows up in the thumbnail gallery at the bottom of your screen and is displayed prominently at the top. This concludes our basic introduction to the gallery feature of OrthoVision. If you have any additional questions, please refer to our user manual or feel free to contact our customer support.